Today we will see a scenario after creating the job. Progress of the job is actually displayed for the customer to view in the garage. So certain garages have a good area where the customer can have a direct view of the job, what is being done. There is a place to for them to wait and see. And some customers are very anxious about what is actually happening, what is the status of their job, how long would it take, who's working on it. So all these queries can be easily answered with this one feature in Moiboo. So Moiboo has come out with this wonderful feature wherein we will be, informing the customers of what is exactly happening right from the time the job is being done to the time the job is being till completed and being dispatched. So we'll see here, for example, as this job card, as we see this first job card here. And now we go to the dashboard, and here we have the job and dispatch details. Here when we view the dispatch board, so we can see this particular job is assigned to this mechanic, and this dispatch board is in the mechanic shop, and the mechanic will have the view of the job that is assigned to him and that he will be doing. So once he sees this, he will have an app, and he will actually trigger the job sheet, that he will just say to start the job and end the job and all these things. So once the job is started, you can see the time is being clicked on. Okay, so as the time is being clicked on, the mechanic is actually working on the job. Then after that, if you see the job progress here, so you can see the vehicle details here. It says the service is in progress. This is the screen that is placed in the lounge for the customer to see. So he will know that the service is in progress. So once the job is completed, the mechanic will end the job here. And here he will click on this and he will say end job. Okay, so after this has been done, we can come and check back the progress in the TV. So what happens? The car is moved from service to quality check in progress. So now the service advisor will check for the quality and all the details of the car. And finally, he will come back to the job card and he will say job sheet complete. Once this is done, we can see the vehicle is ready. So he can just take this vehicle. The customer is ready to take the vehicle. So when each step it is moving on, the customer very well knows that his vehicle is being serviced, somebody is working on it. And as it is ready, he will be happy enough to take the vehicle from the garage. Thank you.